Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be taking you along Christmas shopping and decorating, and I'm currently heading to the dollar store because I also want it to be reasonably priced and not go broke on decor. So we're heading there right now, and then I will just take you guys along with me. I'm currently in the dollar store. I found some things, but still looking for more. I should have had a theme in mind. I think I'm just about done. We are just finishing picking up the last bit of stuff, and then we can head out. Just got back home from shopping, and now I'm gonna attempt to clean the house, and then we can start to decorate. So we finished all the cleaning, and what's on my face? So we finished all the cleaning, and I switched my shirt to my black butler shirt, and now I'm going to decorate. So I laid out all the Christmas stuff, and to be honest, I don't really have a plan going into this. I'm just going to start decorating and see where it takes me. I kind of tried to stick in the theme of red, gold, green, and white to hopefully make it look a little more cohesive. And this is all I have for sticking things to other things. Oh no, I have tape too. But let's start with the wreath, because everybody knows a wreath goes on the door. But I'm going to put it on the in. Oh no, I forgot that we had blinds. Okay, well, give me a second. We'll come back with a solution. Pretty hooks on the door. Perfect. Okay, so here's the current progress report. And then I got some snowflakes going. I have this little Christmas tree, which I'm going to put all the way up there to make it look taller. You can picture it. Okay, so I decorate the little Christmas tree, although I think I need one more ornament right there. Do you see that? Do you see how like it looks empty? And then I'm going to put it up there. Stockings. I put mine in the middle. I like the snowman. Even Mia has one.
They're from the dollar store.
Okay. So I'm trying to like make a string of ornaments using this ribbon I have here, but I am actually almost done. So once I finish, I will come back and show you guys the finished product of the house. Okay guys, I finished, and now for the reveal. So just above my room, I just put these there because I had extra stuff and I need to put it somewhere. We got a little bit of bead action above the doorway of the bathroom. And then this hallway is my favorite one. It kind of looks like a winter wonderland with the snowflakes. And then we go over here and we have the wall of like bows and the pretty flowers and our little tree. And I hung a little star on top because I don't want to actually put a star on the tree just because the tree's so small that I feel like it's going to fall over. And then there's some more stars here and here. And there's a wreath. And on the kitchen wall, there's some stockings. Looking so cute. There's the hanging ornaments right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, guys, that pretty much completes the holiday decor vlog. I hope you guys liked it. And if you have any more suggestions for future videos, please leave it in the comments below. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!